Alright guys, our new kit for 2020-2021 season has been unveiled today at Cobham before the training started. Of course, this is a great news right now. This is Chelsea new kit for 2020-2021 season. Already known, we have seen the players, their numbers has been, of course, registered in Premier League. Certainly, Pulisic is going to wear the number 10 jersey for us this season and season onwards. Chilwell has been handed to number 21 that was left by Nemanja Matic when he went to Manchester United. And Hakim Ziyech will wear 22, and of course, Timo Werner will wear number 11. This is the unveiling of our new kit at Cobham today. It was presented by the staff before the Chelsea players, and all the players by now have known their shirt numbers. And of course, Pulisic is now our new number 10 man. I mean by shirt, not position here. And of course, Chelsea fans all over the world, what do you think about this? I believe, is it a good one? Ziyech 22, as you can see it's there. Chilwell 21, you can see it. Odoye, and this is Pulisic's measurements, and many all of the Giroud, Kovacic, and the rest of them. Cannot be able to give you the details of this, but at the moment now, Chelsea new kit and numbers has been officially disclosed. All the players right now have known their shirt numbers, from the goalkeeper down to the least player in that squad right now knows their shirt number as it is right now. Our new guy, Hakim Ziyech, you already know, will wear number 22, and Pulisic will take over from Williams, who left the club, down to, of course, Arsenal FC. And at the moment, Chelsea new kit has been unveiled, and all the players, as it is right now, have known their numbers. Premier League, of course, week starts tomorrow, Saturday. Premier League will commence, but Chelsea match will be on Monday night, and that is 8 p.m. UK time, and of course 8:15 Africa time. Alright guys, Chelsea new kit is here for you. Which one do you pick? Which one is your best? Chilwell, Pulisic, Ziyech, Timo Werner, Kai Havertz. Manchester United, are you aware of this? Chelsea is coming your way. Of course, for more